Today we are going to discuss about how or like which ways can you do or how should you do your YouTube journey so successful, especially for the beginners. Because what I know or what I searched or what I researched about like 80% of you guys here on YouTube or on those who are starting YouTube, actually they don't know how to do video creation, on how they should, the best way. I know or I did see that many of our guys here, they do have talent or they do have passion on doing video creation, but they don't know how. Like I want you to know the spice, what you should add on your video creation journey. So let me break it down like this way. Like I want to give you some steps or stages what you should follow before you drop your video here on YouTube. So first thing it's the idea. First thing is the idea. When we are talking about the idea, it's like before you did everything, you have to come out with an idea. Like let me put it in this way. Like I want to do a challenge video, but I have to have an idea. Like on this challenge video, we will be 4 boys and 1 girl, so that will be 5. You are still thinking it in your head. Like if we are 5 and we'll come out maybe to a certain place, let's say it's a mall, and we'll start preparing our shooting. You are still thinking it in your head. After that, we're coming in that from this place, and we have to drop maybe 2 guys, and we'll be left with 3, and we'll continue shooting our challenge this way. And who among us will win this challenge, and we want to give him the prize. Like you are still crafting an idea in your head. Most of guys they have to write it down, but some maybe they can cram it with their head when they are practicing or when they are discussing about a certain video. But I think the best possible way is to write it down. You have to find a book or a chatbot so that you have to write your ideas, and you have to discuss according like on your niche. Like maybe your niche need only you, or some niches need maybe 2 or more people and above. So you have to come out with an idea, which is the first aspect. Before you turn up your phone camera or your camera to record any video, you have to come out with an idea. You have to know what are you going to shoot. So after that, which is the first one, we're going to the second one, which is planning. Every video you are seeing here on YouTube, before they post it or before they record it, they planned about it. On planning, we are talking about you have to plan where you should shoot the video, what or how much amount you should spend on a certain type of a video. Remember, if you are shooting this video, you have to spend a lot of money. Like if you are taking some people, or if you are traveling to a different place, you have to also think about it. How much I am going to spend on this video first. And also transport should be on planning. Where are we going to shoot this video? You have to plan about the transport. If you carry cameras, you have to make sure that you charge your batteries. If you have to carry lightings, you have to carry your lightings. All of these things should be on your planning schedule, you see. So planning should be your second aspect after you got an idea. So many of you guys you forgot about planning of your video. So to someone who wishing to be a pro in his YouTube journey, you should consider these steps I am giving you. Now we are on the second step, which is planning. So you have to understand what planning means when we are talking about YouTube video creation. So from there, after you plan, we are going to the third one, which is recording. this is you guys like much. You guys, you're starting in recording before an idea or planning. I know you guys, you do like recording that much, but it's not that recording you are thinking of. In recording, you have to come out with many things, like which type of video are you recording. You have to think about it. Like, if you are doing this type of video, I am doing, like, this is an indoor talking video. Before you record, you have to set your mic like this. You see my mic, and I'm staying here. You have to make sure before you record, you have 2 or 3 trials first, and you have to see on your camera, am I coming right, or I have to adjust my camera and also my mic. Remember, the mic mustn't destabilize people from watching you. So you have to put your mic, if you have this certain type of mic, this is a streaming mic, you have to place it in a better position so that you can see that this mic can take my video. You can't place this mic 2 meters away from you. So after you set up your mics, if you have lightings, you have to set up your lightings here to put it to increase your visibility of your video. After that, if you have got a camera or you have got a cell phone, you have to have a tripod, and you have to set up your phone or your camera on a tripod, and you have to review at least 2 to 3 reviews. I recommend at least 2 reviews before you start recording. You have to place your camera on top of your tripod, and you have to stabilize it. You have to make sure that your camera is stabilized on top of the tripod, or your cell phone is well stabilized. And what I recommend also, again, you have to make sure that you are recording your video on a landscaping mode, or some others call it portrait mode. You see, so each and every video you have to record, you have to make sure that I'm recording my video on a portrait mode or landscaping mode. That's it. So these are some of other aspects you have to look at. You don't just put your phone here and start recording yourself. No, you have to stabilize your video, because remember, us here on YouTube, we used to watch videos on TVs, and you remember, like, just imagine if you are watching you on a TV, and remember, TV is like a rectangle, and we see your video coming like in a triangle mode ways. I won't be interested, and I won't subscribe. So you have to make sure, like, if we are watching you there on TV, your video, you have to match up that square on a television or on a projector or on a cell phone or on a computer to whatever you are used to watch someone's video there. So you have to make sure that you stabilized your video first before you record, and you have to make sure that before you record, you have to at least 2 or 3 reviews before you record that in this portion I think I am good. And then from there, I'm going to the 4th aspect, which is the most difficult one, and which is the most important one, which is editing. Guys, this is where most people lost it. Editing is the most important puzzle in YouTube channel. You have to learn on editing. Like, the most recommended application I can recommend to you guys, especially for the beginners like me, it's CapCut. I know there are many more advanced softwares or application, considering you are using a cell phone or you are using a PC, but I use a PC in editing, and also I use cell phone in editing. So I recommend CapCut for the beginners, because we have a software, we have a PC version of CapCut, and also have a cell phone application on CapCut. So I recommend you guys to try CapCut in editing, which is the most important piece on YouTube channel. Like, editing, what is editing? Editing is like, for example, you shot your video, like 30-minute video, and as we all know that when you are shooting or recording your video, there are some mistakes. So you have to cut those mistakes in editing. You want to edit something while you are talking, you want to edit text, you want to cut some pieces, you want to make some features on your video. All those things falls into editing. So editing is the most, and this is what defines you as a creator here on YouTube. All, like 99.9 of videos on YouTube are edited before you upload them. So you have to learn about editing. You can't be a successful creator here on YouTube while you don't know nothing about editing. So my friend, my sister, my brother, to whoever who is watching this video and you want to become a pro here on YouTube, you have to learn about editing. And we come out from editing, we're going out to post, which is posting or uploading videos here on YouTube. Yeah, it's not about just uploading, random uploading. You have to find a solution or a way on how you should upload your videos. But the most way, or how can I say it, yeah, what I think is the best as a creator, you have to schedule your videos. Like in uploading videos, I recommend, whether you are using a cell phone or your PC, I recommend you to use YouTube Studio on uploading. Don't use the YouTube platform straight. You have to use YouTube Studio, and also you have to use YouTube Studio as well if you are uploading using PC. So both on PC or on devices, you have to upload your videos using YouTube Studio. And also the best, what I'm thinking, I'm not saying you can upload the same time. What I'm thinking, like, you record your video today and you finish everything on editing and you want to post your video for tomorrow, I recommend you at least upload it today and schedule it. Like, you want this video to be posted maybe by tomorrow at 10 a.m. I think it's the best way, or it's up to you, but this is what most creators do. They schedule their videos, like they record the video today and they edit it and they schedule it for tomorrow. It gives you proper time to plan your things in future. Like, if you know that by tomorrow my video will be uploaded and you are start doing the next video, even you can upload maybe a week ahead. It gives you much margin or much time as a creator to think and craft some other videos, while some other videos are keep uploading by itself on YouTube. I think you all understand about it, that if you have a week ahead of videos, let's say you have 4 or 5 videos need to be uploaded in a fortnight time, and you are still shooting some videos for the next month, it will gives you, and it won't gives you a pressure as a YouTuber. You will have time to edit, to analyze, to think each and everything. And the last piece, which most creators lost it, is analyzing your video after you posted it on YouTube. Here on YouTube, you don't just come here and upload the video and disappear. After you upload your video, you have at least to leave a comment. You have also to encourage people in the comment section, guys, please like my video. You have to put at least 2 or 3 comments there. You have to interact. You have to make sure that each and everyone who is going to comment on your YouTube video, you have to reply the comment. And also you have to watch some others video. Don't just come here on YouTube and just post your video and go. Post your video and go. You are not watching some others video. You are not reply to comments. You are not even encourage with your viewers here. It's not good. You have to revise your video, like where I lost it. And what I have to teach you guys here, after you drop the video today and you see this video performed, for example, this video have got 20 viewers, and you have to revise, where did I mess up with this video? You have to have that mindset that I have to improve. Each and every next video you have to improve something. Each and every video you have to improve something. That keeps you the momentum of going further, of going far. Like each and every video I have to improve. And also the last puzzle is consistency. You can't just post one video. For example, you are still starting. You can't just post one video a month and you are thinking that you are going far with YouTube. That thing happened, or it's possible for those big creators who have a huge following. You see, they can post 2 or even 1 video a month because they've got a huge following. But for us guys who are still starting, I don't recommend you to do such thing. Try to be more consistent and at least 2 to 3 videos a week, 2-3 videos a week, 2-3 videos a week, at least per month. If you can drop at least 10 powerful videos, not just dropping videos, powerful videos. And you have to make sure that each and every video supposed to bring new subscribers. You have to have that thing. If you see your videos, many viewers after watching your videos and they are subscribing, that is to tell you that you are cooking something interesting, and some new viewers are being interested in what you are creating. So you have that target. It's not just creating. You have to have a technique in creating videos that extract or makes new viewers thinking of subscribing to your channel. You see. So this is what I have for today. Let us try to follow these steps. There are more powerful steps. So as of today, we're going to stop here. Meet you in the next video. If you are someone who reaches this stage watching our video, just comment in the comment section. Say WA the